everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shafia. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and like. So today I'm going to do a labubu unboxing, and my friend gifted me this, and it's not actually real, but she already gave me some, and I opened it already. So I got the green one, this pink one, and the red one. I need to get the blue one and the secret. I have two. This is one and this is one. Don't mind, this is in a packet because my mom mistakenly opened it, so that's why I needed to put it in here. But good thing I do have one box so I can see. And good thing this is the same. These are the big into energies. So let's unbox this one first, obviously. So yeah, this is the big into energy packet. I want the blue one. Of course, I need the blue one. Look at my collection. I won't open this. I will open this later, but I want the blue one. As you can see, it's Hope. I want Hope. So the packet looks like this. It's so cute. So look, guys, look. So now let's quickly open it because, yeah, I'm too excited. Wait, let me get my scissors. So yeah, let's open it. You guys see first. Okay. I'm going to close my eyes. I don't want to cut the labubu. Okay. Okay, guys, I got the labubu. And I'm not looking. This is the labubu, guys. Oh my god. I found the keychain thing, and this is the labubu. Oh my gosh, let me open my... Please be the secret. It's the blue one. Yes. I'm super happy I got the blue one. So I will open this in another video. So yeah, let me add this to my collection. And I mistakenly cut it. I will glue it. So yeah, I glued it. So yup, I got the blue one, and I just think it's going to be the green one doubles, because she does double everything. It's so cute. I will add it to my bag. So let's put it in my collection. So yeah. Okay, like quickly. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I already have 4, but I do need to collect the secret, and I think it's going to be the green inside here. So thanks for watching. Bye. Assalamualaikum.